Goldie, good day, mga ka-nation. Happy holidays! Please join me, along with our kitchen magician, Miss Joanne Kyle, as we celebrate the most magical of seasons. Alam mo, Joanne, di ba, pagka-holiday season na ganito, it's the best time to come up with a Goldilocks magical mashup, di ba?
I agree. That's why today I have a special recipe that is going to be a hit in anyone's Noche Buena or Medianoche table, and it's called Embotido Wellington.
Oh, really? Embotido Wellington. Not beef Wellington, Embotido Wellington. Wow, that sounds so yummy, Joanne.
Yes, it is. And I'm using the seasonal offering of Goldilocks, which is the Goldilocks Embotido. It's succulent pork roll with raisins and special seasoning, and it's delish.
Oh my God, delish talaga. Alam mo, Joanne, I gotta say, that Goldilocks Embotido alone, sigurado ako will be the favorite of our ka-nation pagdating sa Noche Buena and Medianoche sa mga lamesa nila. And still, mamagican mo at gagawan ng mashup. Iba ka talaga, Joanne.
Siyempre, para mas fun and special, di ba?
Yes. Well, let me go ahead and say the magic words. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness! Sabi ni Joanne, lagyan ng konting relish.
Oo naman.
Ayan. Let's go for it. Here we go. That is so yummy. Sarap, Joanne. Thank you so much. That is awesome.
Well, Goldilocks Embotido is actually one of our special seasonal offerings for the holiday, together with a chicken relleno and of course sweet ham.
Yes.
And don't forget, mga ka-nation, this is only available in our Goldilocks store location. So tumawag na kayo for your reservations para hindi kayo maubusan. But
correct. There's still a lot of things online that everyone can order for the holidays. Tama?
Yes. For anyone, anywhere in the United States, you can go to goldilocks-usa.com for your orders.
www. Okay, well, here we go. Goldilocks Embotido, presto changeo. Goldilocks Embotido Wellington. Okay, Joanne, habang inuubos ko to, let's go ahead and say goodbye to our mga ka-nation. Hey guys, magkita-kita ulit tayo next time for another episode of
Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day! Relish. The relish is good.
Relish.